in Pampanga, at least 10 towns remain underwater. These include the capital city of San Fernando. Freddy Bando reports.
The conducting swamps, which irrigate rice fields in several parts of Pampanga and Bulacan, look like an open sea where one can fish. The good news is on the other side of the swamps, where fish pens are operated by farmers, not one was destroyed. Plus, there is no reason to worry of losing rice fields since the planting season will start in early September. The sad news, many of the towns of Pampanga, to include San Fernando City, the capital city, was hit by flood waters. One dike built along the Potrero River was destroyed by rampaging flood waters. Several others are still intact to prevent what could have been a major tragedy of death and destruction. The provincial governor expressed the gratitude of her constituents for the president's commitment in rebuilding their dike.
Okay naman, nagagagad nagpapunta ng resolution ng asset niya mula sa public works na tinignan yung diking nasira na 70 meters. Nasikaso naman yung mga nasirang mga diking ngayon. So, kanina galing sila at in-estimate na yung mga dapat gawin.
Hindi naman kayo napapabayaan.
Hindi naman.
Despite the agony and anguish of people living in these areas, life is slowly getting back to the old routine. Floodwaters brought families and friends to fish for food. There was a makeshift market for all kinds of seafoods, and despite having suffered, they can still afford to share a smile and be happy.
Nagtiwayo kami sa hirap ng kabuhayan.
Binaha po kami. Dati nagtitinda po kami sa Guagua, ngayon dito po sa Gulangko. Kasi po, baho po doon. Nababasa po kami. Katulad po ngayon, tingnan nyo. Baha din po dito.
Nakakapagtinda po kami. Kaya po kami masaya. Siyempre po, yung isda namin para mabenta. Naka-smile. Pinagay ng isda yun. Pili ka na kayo ng isda.
For the Network, this is Freddy Bando reporting.